Good morning students, welcome back to Maths online class supported by Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. We go through the chapter 5, time, speed and temperature. Today's topic is time interval. Time interval also known as duration. That means how long we are doing an activity. So we can say that time interval equal to ending time minus starting time. End of the activity minus starting of the activity. Let us learn more about time interval. Dear students, today's topic is time intervals. What do you mean by time interval? Time interval is the amount of time that has passed between the start and the end of an activity. It is also called elapsed time or duration. Time interval is also known as duration. Okay, so here we can study the problems from time intervals or duration. Okay. So we told duration is the time between finishing time and starting time. So here we can prepare the formula to find duration. Duration equal to finishing time minus starting time. Finishing time minus starting time, you will get duration. Finishing time, to calculate finishing time, what will do? Starting time plus duration. If you have started your study at 5 o'clock and 2 hours if you have studied, when it will be finished at 7 o'clock. Starting time plus duration. 5 o'clock plus 2 hours. Is it? So, in the real problems, you connect with this formula and then it will be easy. In our real situation, we can use this concept. Okay. To calculate the starting time, we have to subtract duration from finishing time. So, starting time equal to finishing time minus duration. Understood? This is a small concept. Duration means finishing time minus starting time. From that formula itself, we can calculate the two formula. Okay. We can do problems from this section. First question to solve. A flight from Delhi to Chennai left at 10:55 a.m. That is in the morning, 10:55. The flight duration was 2 hours 50 minutes. At what time did the flight reach Chennai? That is the question. It started at 10:55 a.m. and it takes the duration 2 hours 50 minutes. When will be the finishing time or at what time the activity will finish? That is the question. So we can write starting time 10:55 a.m. Duration 2 hours 50 minutes. Then ending time or finishing time equal to starting time plus duration. Is it? So we can write the formula finishing time equal to starting time plus duration. 10 hours 55 minutes plus 2 hours 50 minutes. 10:55 a.m. we can write 10 hours 55 minutes plus 2 hours 50 minutes. You know very well to add time. Hours and minutes separately we can write and then add. 55 minutes here, 50 minutes. By addition we will get 105 minutes. Here 10 plus 2, 12 hours. This 105 minutes we have to convert into hours and minutes because this is greater than 60 minutes. So there will be hours. So 105 we can convert into hours by division 60. Remainder will be 45, quotient will be 1. Quotient as the hours and remainder as the minutes. So we will get 1 hour 45 minutes. So total 12 hour plus 1 hour 45 minutes, 13 hour 45 minutes. in the 24-hour clock. So you have to convert into 12-hour clock. This time will be 13 hours. Plus 13 hour 45 minutes we can write 12 hour plus 1 hour here, then 45 minutes. That means 1:45 p.m. Understood? This time you are getting in the 24-hour clock because this is more than 12. So we can write 13 hour 45 minutes. The last year we have learned 13 hour 45 minutes can be written 1:45 p.m. Okay. Next question. A train from Delhi to Kanpur reached Kanpur at 12:30 p.m. If the journey was 5 hours 50 minutes long, that means duration. If the journey was 5 hours 50 minutes long means duration of their journey. At what time did the train leave Delhi? So here reached means the finishing time 12:30 p.m. and duration 5 hours 50 minutes. They are asking at what time did the train leave Delhi. That means at what time they started the journey. Understood? At what time did they start the journey? So here we have to calculate the starting time, because if we are going to a journey, at first we have to start a journey. Then only we will reach anywhere. Is it? So here we have to calculate the starting time. Reaching time or finishing time is equal to 12:30 p.m. Okay, reaching time means finishing time 12:30 p.m. Duration 5 hours 50 minutes. We have to calculate starting time. So it is equal to finishing time minus duration. Starting time equal to finishing time minus duration. Is it? So we have to write separately hours and minutes. 12:30, 12 hours 30 minutes. 5 hours 50 minutes. Here what you have noticed here, smaller number is here 30. So we have to convert this one as greater number. That means by borrowing 1 hour from here we get 11 hours 90 minutes. 30 plus 60 90. So we can rewrite it as 11 hour 90 minutes minus 5 hour 50 minutes. That's equal to 6 hour 40 minutes. That means they started at 6:40 p.m. 6:40 p.m. Okay. Because they reached at 12:30 p.m. So they started at 6:40 p.m. Okay. Children, today itself you learned this topic. It is a simple topic, time interval or duration. So today itself you complete the notes. I know you all of you are very good children. I said, thank you children. In the next session we can meet again. Till then, bye.